Welcome to this Lark AI demo. In this demo we will show you how to build and then use your own document classifier with the ABBYY tools for UiPath. In this demo we will show you how to build the classification using a list of folders for each class, where the folder will contain images of documents that you want to classify. The classes will be defined by the names of the folder. The next step is to go to UiPath. In UiPath you need to initialize the Lark AI ABBYY activities. Once the activity is initialized, you can call the create classification from folders activity. That activity can be found in the engine. Once the activity is placed on the workflow, you need to complete the parameters. One of the important parameters is the location of the batch, the training batch that will be created, the language for the documents, the source folder and subfolders that will be loaded, and the output file name of the classification file. This activity will load the folders and subfolders. It will do the training and generate the CFL file. Once this process is done, the classification CFL file can be used in the next process. In the next process, we will open the ABBYY processor. It will get a list of documents that need to be classified, and it will simply call the classify documents activity. For this activity you need to supply it with a CFL file and a list of file names. The output will be a list of documents that is classified, and it will run through this process and show you the possible classifications that this document falls under, and the rest of the workflow is basically just showing you what type of document was classified. Right, let's run this. Okay, right now it is basically generating the classes. You can see it's using some CPU. We look here, we can see it's actually creating the batch, and it's doing the training based on the batch. And ultimately this classification file is generated. Once the process runs, it will then show you the class that a document belongs to. In that case it was an invoice file, and it found that to be an invoice, and that was a receipt, and it will show you that it is a receipt.